Going nuts over English, Unraveling Idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and expressive part of the English language, idioms. Specifically, we'll explore what it means to be nuts about something. Idioms like this one add color and depth to our conversations, and understanding them is key to mastering English. So, let's crack this nut open and get started. Being nuts about something means to be extremely enthusiastic or passionate about it. It's a way to express a high level of interest or love for someone or something. This phrase can apply to hobbies, people, activities, and more. For example, if someone says, "I'm nuts about football," it means they really love football. The term nuts has been used to describe someone who is enthusiastic to the point of obsession since the late 19th century. It's believed to derive from the earlier use of nut to mean a person's head. Over time, nuts evolved to describe not just the head but the mind's passionate preoccupations. This idiom is a playful way to express one's strong affection or preference. Using nuts about something in conversation is easy. It's a casual and informal phrase, perfect for everyday chats. You can say, "I'm nuts about this new band," or ask someone, "Are you nuts about any sports?" Remember, it conveys a positive and intense interest, so it's a great way to share things you're passionate about with others. To help you get a better grasp, let's look at some examples. My brother is nuts about vintage cars. He spends every weekend at car shows. Are you nuts about anyone these days? Someone you can't stop thinking about? I've been nuts about gardening lately. It's so relaxing and rewarding. Using nuts about something in your sentences will make your English sound more natural and expressive. And there you have it, folks. You now know how to use and understand the idiom, nuts about something. Idioms like this are what make English so vibrant and fun. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in your English language journey. Remember, being nuts about learning is the first step to mastery. See you in the next video.